In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the transition on Spotify. So how you can turn on the crossfade between songs on Spotify. It's very straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to open up Spotify right now. Once you're on the Spotify homepage, you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Once you're on your settings page, you just want to scroll down a bit until you see playback. It's right over here. Now, if it's grayed out like this, that means you're playing Spotify on another device. So what you need to do is you just need to switch to your current device. So let me just turn down my volume. And then I'll select this phone. And now you can see it's there available. So you can see it says crossfade, allow you to crossfade between songs. What you can do is move the slider and you can move it all the way up to 12 seconds. So if you want a long crossfade between songs, you can do that. For this, I'll select 3 seconds as a crossfade, and then that's pretty much saved. You can just go back and enjoy listening to Spotify with the transition or crossfade on. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.